Here I have the new 40 volt XGT rotary hammers. There are 4 different models available in the range. 2 machines have a standard SDS chuck, one with an AWS Bluetooth capability, and 2 machines come with a changeable chuck, and again one of them has the AWS Bluetooth capability. So all 4 machines are powered by the new 40 volt battery. The back handle and the battery connection are all divorced from the machine body and spring loaded, so it reduces the vibration not only to your hand but also to the battery. Forward and reverse switch, variable speed triggers, and we also have a variable speed dial, which is variable speed for rotation, but when we're using it as a hammer it's variable blows per minute. The machines also feature the joist hook, side handle with the depth gauge. The side handle can be adjusted for left and right handed use, and also the side handle has new AVT built into it. So that means with a spring loaded back handle and the AVT side handle you can have a maximum of 4 hours trigger time with these new hammers. All 4 machines are 3 mode, so that gives you hammer only, rotary hammer and rotary only. And of course, if you've got the machine with the changeable chuck and you want to use it for rotary drilling for metal or wood, you can simply remove the SDS chuck and replace it with the 3-jaw chuck. So that is the 4 new XGT 40 volt max rotary hammers.